Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Nostalgia kicks in here because that 302 stripe on this is the same as a 69 Boss 302. This one's finished in Kona blue, which is an outstanding color. And have a look in the seams. Fabulous, clean, tidy, beautiful. It's got, was a local car at one point here, and there's the Brant County Ford. It's of course been safetied, we would all expect that. Here's the original brochure on the vehicle. Everything's here. It's an incredible machine. Here's the original window sticker, and the books are here. There's 3 keys with it. The vehicle's been lowered, and there are the original factory springs right there. It's just a fabulous car. What a gem. Gotta be proud of it. If you own it, you will love it. Just fabulous. So, great looking car. Let me close this. You can see from the back it's got the ginormous Ford Performance exhaust on it. Blacked out bumperette there, blacked out spoiler, painted white roof. Wheels are outstanding. Those are the original Boss 302 wheels with the Performance Ford brakes on them, and they're in fantastic condition. On the inside it comes with Recaro cloth seats with the Boss 302 embroidered in the back of them. Just a beautiful clean car. The mats have the Boss 302 on them. Have a look in the door frames here as I'm climbing in, and I will show you that it's all clean and tidy. I've shown you in the back the books. This has got the original airbag sticker with it. Fabulous car, just beautiful. Clean, tidy. This is the same fabric that's in the seats, which is a nice touch. And we'll close the door and have a look at the stripe. Just a beautiful 302 stripe. That is gorgeous. What a look. And here's our other front wheel. No curb rash, no issues. Brembo brakes, painted rotors, painted calipers, P0 tires. Under the hood, 444 horsepower, Boss 302 performance engine with different valves and heads and so on. It's a performance motor. It's hand built and it's signed by the builder right there. So his signature's up there, and the numbers on it, everything's cool. Very nice. So here's your cold air induction, but look at the cleanliness of this car. Of course, 7,000 kilometers, it's like brand new. It's got, of course, the red key is active and ready to go for performance. So let's close the hood, and we'll just have a look there. It's got the nice stripe, racing stripe on the front as well. These are cutouts that you can take out for extra cooling. Down here are the blowers for air cooling against the brakes. Good big chin spoiler on the front there, the front lip. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just beautiful. P0 tires, Brembo brakes, and here's your back wheel. Stunning, just beautiful. So on the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. On the inside, we've got those fabulous Recaro seats. In the back here, you've got lots of room if you want to carry passengers with you or not. That's up to you. And let me just put that seat back. So it's got the Alcantara cloth steering wheel and a short shifter with a cue ball on it. That's also been added. And let's fire this one up, shall we? Beautiful. It's going to show me the kilometers in a second here. 6,168 kilometers, and listen to that. That is fabulous. Here's your driver information center. You've got cruise control, steering wheel controls for the stereo, short shifter right there, air conditioning, and your nice AM/FM stereo. So all the things that you need, none of them you're going to use. This car sounds so awesome, you're just going to want to listen to that. It's got cup holders in here, and in here you've got a line in for your radio. So fabulous. This is a sports car, collectible, highly collectible, but it is quite a car on the track to drive. Just a beauty. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Fabulous car, great condition, super color, Kona blue, that's awesome. It's polished and ready to go. Look at it sparkle. Wow, gorgeous car. So check around, there's no scratches, no dents, no dings, no nothing to report. That is just a beauty. Listen to that exhaust back here. That is great. See down that side there, no, nothing. Just beautiful, brand new out of the box. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2012 Ford Mustang Boss 302 Kona Blue. Gorgeous car. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.